Okay, so one of our favorite features about a Healthy Passion is that it integrates with MyFitnessPal. So if you're comfortable using MyFitnessPal and you're not ready to switch over to AHP as your planning and tracking device, our recipes all still integrate into MyFitnessPal using their AHP code. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that really quickly. So just select a recipe and say we're going to do the Instant Pot Shredded Chicken Tacos. You'll click on the recipe that you want to cook, and then you'll scroll down and you'll see it here, but you'll also see it down here. You're going to use this AHP code, and then you're going to go over to MyFitnessPal and type in AHP and then the code, making sure to leave a space between the AHP and the number, and then hit search. Now, there is a lot of info in MyFitnessPal, and sometimes our recipes get bumped down to the bottom. So if you have a hard time finding it, you might want to also try adding like chicken or tacos or other more descriptive words to make it pop up closer to the top. But a lot of times it works just fine doing the code. And then what you'll do is you'll select it and hit add to food diary, and there you go, you've tracked it. Now keep in mind that the pantry items are not included in the nutrition information. So if you're using like olive oil, that's really the only one I track, olive oil, butter, any of the fats. The rest of them really don't make a big difference unless you're worried about sodium. But make sure that you'll add, then this one doesn't use any olive oil, but say it did, like a tablespoon of olive oil or however much you end up using. So that is how it works. And then again, you'll see like how it looks in there. And then what I like to do is just go ahead and print out my MyFitnessPal, put on my fridge, and then follow along step by step. It makes it really, really easy.